welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm showing you guys the daily goodie box. This is an awesome box. It's free to get. All you guys have to do is sign up and join. And once you guys join, you just answer a couple questions. Now, you don't always get a box. It is random. Everybody randomly gets a box, but they have it where if you participate in some of their stuff, you guys will get a boxes. Plus, if you follow them on social media, you guys can get a box. But they send me a box every once in a while to show you guys what you guys can get in a box. So yes. Now, one thing I do recommend is you guys should have a junk email. Just giving you guys a heads up. I have an email where I have like my normal email, and then I have it where anytime I sign up for anything, it's my junk email, because these guys send you an email all the time, and some of it's just like worthless. So I'm just saying, if you guys want, just start a junk email so you guys can sign up for anything, and you know, just get it sent to you, and then if you don't want it anymore, just unsubscribe. So just give you guys a heads up on that. But let's just dig in. I had to fight my husband on this because I'm like, he's like, I want to see it, I want to see it, and I'm like, no. So here is what is inside. So they always give you a card that says you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account, share your thoughts, and everything included in this box. Then it comes with some nice tissue paper, and I already can see what my husband is going to like. So here we got Bubba's Fine Food Savory and Crunch Blazing Buffalo Nana Chips. So these look like they're banana chips, which actually look pretty good. I'm not into buffalo stuff, but my husband will probably eat it. I think he'll love it. He loves hot sauce. So we got that. Here we have, which I'm super excited to try this because this is on Ibotta, you guys. So if you guys are interested in trying this, you guys can go to Walmart and buy it. But this is Sir Kensington's Chipotle Mayonnaise. I don't know if it's just what it's all in. It says it contains egg. It's gluten-free. I don't know. Chipotle mayonnaise, that sounds really good. And there's a $2 rebate on Ibotta right now if you guys buy this at Walmart. So that's an even deal. And I think these are $4 a piece at Walmart. So get it for $2. So that's a pretty good deal. I'm hoping I have a coupon for these, because then I can go get some more stuff at Walmart. I had a sample of a bedtime ritual, which is gone. So, oh, here it is. So I had a little sample. It looks like it's a perfume of it. Let's see what it is. It's just a bedtime ritual. Contains soothing essence of lavender flowers, cedar wood, marjoram leaves, ylang ylang, petals to calm you in a peaceful sleep and comfort. So it says, please read directions and cautions before use. At bedtime, remove stopper and carefully tip the vial to release a drop onto the corner of your pillowcase, or put a drop on your handkerchief or tissue and slide it inside the pillowcase. So kind of helps you sleep. So that's something. I've actually been caught up on my sleep lately, but that may be something to try. Another super thing that my husband will be super excited for to try is Fire and Flavor All Natural Seafood Rub. It's lemon, pepper, and herb. It's perfect for seafood, salmon, chicken, and veggies. So that's something that looks super good. I love getting like full-size items of products to try. So that's something my husband would be super excited to try. He loves food. He just loves food. He does mostly the cooking. The next thing we got is Most Rich Mascara. Now there's a 20% off a $60 order. Just says Most Rich Mascara. So I always like trying mascara. So here it is. It's just MTJ Most Rich Mascara. It's just a very flat. I don't know why I smelled it, but got that. That's cool. Something worth to try. I like it. I love trying new makeups, especially like samples lately. I've been really into samples because, you know, it's great to try before you buy. And the next thing we got is a Herb Guru. It's Fruity Recover Herbal Tea. Do not heat in can. Serve hot or cold. So basically you just put it in a pot or something, or you can drink it cold. But it's 50 calories, 12 grams of sugar. So, I don't know. My husband likes it. I'm not a tea person, but he will definitely try that. Next thing we got is the Neuro Gum. It's energy, clarity, and focus. It's enlightened mint. There's 9 pieces. It's aspartame free. I know some people mention that they need aspartame free. But it's just regular gum. So it just looks like that. So just regular gum. There's 9 pieces in here. So that's something cool. Another thing we got is a Minute Mixology, a craft cocktail mixer, single serve, and the flavor is margarita, lime, plus agave, whatever that is. So that's something that you can just have like an instant drink. Mix 1 packet of Minute Mixology to 1.5 ounces of tequila and 4.4 to 6 ounces of water plus ice. So there you got your own little margarita. That's kind of cool. I use this stuff all the time for like my water to put stuff in there, so that's kind of cool. Here we have Ancient Herbs and Modern Herbs. It's Prevention is the brand, and they sent us some tea samples. So here we have for immunity, supports immune health, and Thrive Balance Energy Support. And then on the back there is a $1 off coupon for that. And then, alright, I got a coupon, you guys. So then we also got an Herbal Zap. It's an instantly dissolving herbal supplement that you just kind of put in your drink or something. I don't know, but we got a sample of that. And then here they gave you 30% off the Bubba Foods, which is the banana chips. And then I also got a $1 off coupon for the Sir Kensington. So this is how I get a lot of my coupons from stuff, is because of these boxes. So definitely going to use that for one of my Ibotta Walmart hauls. So yes, I think this is actually probably one of the best boxes I got, because I got some good like cooking full-size items, which I'm pretty excited about. I will put the link below so you guys can check out the websites if you guys want to see what we got. But definitely sign up for Daily Goodie Box. Just, you know, keep in mind to keep track of like their social media. They send them out all the time. So just giving you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys all another time. Bye-bye.